तो दोस्तों ये इस्कॉन भोपाल टेम्पल है, यहाँ पे अभी मैं आया हुआ हूँ और अभी हम उसमें प्रवेश कर रहे हैं।
इट्स हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। इस पर
ओके प्रभु,
ब्रह्म नरेते पुराना। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण।
तो ये हमारा टेम्पल, मेन टेम्पल हॉल है।
जी प्रभु जी।
सो ये मंदिर का यूनिक स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा है कि हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज़ नहीं करते, मतलब लीस्ट। यहाँ पे एक स्पीकर प्लग पॉइंट है, ताकि स्पीकर जब प्रवक्ता अगर बोले तो एवरीबडी कैन हियर। उसको डिज़ाइन ऐसा किया है कि इको होगा साउंड, सो कम आवाज़ में भी आराम से कम्युनिकेशन हो सकता है।
जी प्रभु जी।
फ्लोरिंग वुड फ्लोरिंग है, इसमें मैक्सिमम डिवोटीज ही काम किया फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन।
ओके।
मैक्सिमम ईच एंड एवरी पेंटिंग हैज सिग्निफिकेंट मीनिंग। नरसिम्हदेव, पंचतत्व, चैतन्य महाप्रभु, नित्यानंद प्रभु, अद्वैत आचार्य, गदाधर एंड श्रीवास पंडित, एंड आवर आचार्य and our founder Acharya, Srila Prabhupada,
फाउंडर ऑफ इस्कॉन।
founder of ISKCON. You'll find it everywhere. Soon as it gets darker, these lamps, all these lamps will light up.
Okay, so there is no lighting in the entire temple. Like,
No lighting.
This is the concept
This
of
is the
main.
concept, yeah. This is the concept. Not even fan also.
Okay, so like in summers, how do we manage like?
This is all natural ventilation. It is designed like that. More the height, more the air.
Okay.
This is Goloka chart. It's describing how.
Bookstall.
And this is the most important after the darshan. We don't give more of prasada, we keep more of information. What darshan आपने क्या दर्शन लिया, उसके बारे में information इधर से मिलेगी. Why Krishna is standing like this? Why Narasimha have different kind of fingers and postures? Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Why you are chanting always Hare Krishna Mahamantra?
Right.
In 10 minutes I cannot explain you everything, but all will be given in this book. And this is all from the bona fide chain, means proper sources actually. This is a very important part of our temple actually.
Therefore, chanting and knowledge both are important.
Yeah, without knowledge you cannot chant. I mean, if I don't know you, then the next time I will meet you, it will be a very unnatural meeting. But
Right.
if I meet you and I know about you, next time meeting will be more deeper. So whenever you have darshan, knowing more about the Lord, भगवान के बारे में ज़्यादा जानते हैं
जी।
और भगवान का दर्शन करते हैं, तो दर्शन में ज़्यादा ही भाव आता है। उसी प्रकार से हम ईश्वर के बारे में प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं। Brick wall designed very uniquely. You'll hear some hollow sound.
Yeah.
It's designed in such a way that there is some little gap. It creates like an installation, and ये अपना बिना सरिया के इतना ऊंचा strong खड़ा है ऊपर. So this was our old kitchen before. Now it is used for sabji cutting and storage. So this flooring is of gobar,
Okay.
and this wall is also of mud and gobar.
Do we have Goshala also? Like,
No,
okay.
we'll have, not now.
Okay.
That's what I'll tell you. Phase 2 and 3.
Yeah.
In the evening, as soon as it gets darker, you will lit this lamp.
Okay.
So this will be our street lamp basically. No torch, no light. This is our prasadam room.
Yeah.
This is prasadam hall. Same roofing, nice.
Same roofing, wooden.
This is our book stock. Sometimes we keep.
Okay.
And devotees sit here, and devotees serve here. So
Okay.
it's sitting and honoring prasadam, not like standing like a horse. This is not Vedic, and serving is also very important. So that's how we more develop service attitude.
Yes.
This is our Ann Bhandar.
Anbhandar.
Darker.
Storage of food and
Yeah. It will be little darker because whatever Ann comes in Dan,
yeah.
we do Madhukari. You understand Madhukari?
No.
Bhiksham do, basically, you know. Bhiksha.
Okay. Yeah. Collect from
Begging.
people. Begging. Begging.
So we collect Ann and we store here, and then we start cooking.
So from where we collect like bag?
We collect from whoever gives. I mean, suppose you have birthday,
Okay.
you want to separate in a more spiritual way, so you give. Sometimes somebody dies, they also give. And sometimes we go outside and beg for the Lord. Please,
Okay.
it's not my benefit, it's benefit for you.
Yeah. Good
हमको
karmas
लगता
of
है कि हम
yours.
लोग मांग के अपना फायदा कर रहे हैं. No, it's more like your benefit.
Their karmas are getting released.
By that also, and they will get bhakti in future lives. So this is our pot washing area, जहाँ पे हम भगवान के बर्तन धोते हैं. सारे बर्तन भगवान के धोए जाते हैं यहाँ पे ही. और भक्ति करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कोई बाहर से पेट सर्वेंट आता है. Everything is done here by devotees. Mopping से लेके cleaning तक सब devotees करते हैं.
Service is assigned to each and
Everything, because it's Lord service. Mopping and pujari sub equal. Lord service. So this is our chulas. This is the bigger chula we use on the Sundays, big cooking for
Yes.
like 1,000 people.
yes.
And this is for regular cooking, daily cooking. Daily we cook on chulas. No gas, nothing, only wood and gobar. This gobar flooring. Every second day we do gobar. So every second day is very much nicely smelling with gobar. And no lights and no fan here also. No exhaust. You will get exhaust serving here, but you will not find it. That's all.
This is the Brahmacharya ashram. Okay.
We have 5 rooms. I'll show you just one room.
हाँ प्रभु जी.
This slide one I will show you.
So all the devotees are supposed to reside here itself in the.
Yeah, all ashram boys. This is our room. This is all gobar. As soon as we come in the room, it's not that we have to look for the buttons.
Yeah.
No light, no fan. We have to look for matchbox to lit the lamps.
Okay. Kerosene lamps.
Yeah. In this room, 8 people live.
8 people.
Only for very small racks. Whatever minimum things. We have mats. You see here, a lot of mats are there.
Yeah.
They put the mats and they just sleep in the night with the help of mosquito net. Very simple, very sober. This is just I am showing you one sample.
Yeah. Similarly, 8 rooms are there in totality.
Like this, like 40 people live here. And this is a very special room called computer room, where we can charge our phones.
Okay.
This room only has one plug point. That's all. None other room has plug points. Not even our bathroom. There also we put lamps in the morning. A wood storage house there. Last behind that we have woods here. Whatever woods comes in the daan or we collect because it's very important for cooking. And that's how. This is our phase 2 of temple. This is 2 acres of land.
Okay.
Right now we are growing flowers and sabjis and grains for the Lord.
Yeah.
Most of the things we get from here only. I mean, except sabjis. Sabjis is very unique. So sometimes that farmer from the other field gives, and sometimes people donate some sabjis. Then we go for collecting. Sometimes you have to spend also.
Okay. This was built in which year?
This is built in 2018.
2018.
Yeah, 2018 it was ready, and it got finished very quickly. You know, because
Okay.
devotees themselves have been into this. When they shifted here,
Yeah.
not even shed was there.
Okay.
They were just staying like this, you know, working day and night for everything, making even a single screws and everything they have done by themselves.
अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नामाचार्य शिवदास ठाकुर